I'm Jess Messina, I'm current Australian 64 kilogram champion, and we're going to run you through some boxing exercises. Alright, so the first one we're going to do is an ABC circuit, which is agility, balance and coordination. Basically with this, so we just want to make sure we're doing it fast and as hard as we can. If you're not doing the right technique, it's not too bad, just make sure you go fast. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is a cross punch. The boys will show you. So basically with this one, we're going opposite arm, opposite leg, and we're swapping. The next one is 1-2 hook. So 1-2 hook, and then change to the other direction. Beautiful. The next one is a squat stance. So we start off in one stance, squat, swap to the other stance, and keep going. The next one is inside, outside. So inside foot, outside foot. Yep, beautiful. The next one is zigzags. So, yep, exactly. And the last one is heel punch. So opposite heel and punch. Yep, exactly how the boys are doing it here. So like I said, nice and fast. Technique's not the greatest thing to worry about in this one, just as long as we're doing it nice and fast. So the next exercises we're going to do is shadow boxing. So with this, we want to get in our stance. If the boys come together, you can see that. So Ethan here's got his left foot forward, left arm forward. So he's a orthodox fighter. And Kyle here's got his right foot forward and his right arm forward, so he's southpaw. So whichever stance suits you and you're most comfortable in, that's completely fine. So the first round we're going to do is just lead hand. So our lead hand is our front hand. Okay, so we're just going to mix it up. We're going to go head and body just as much as we can. Just move around, try and stay loose. Boys will show you, that's it. Yeah, that's good. All right, the next round, so we're going to stay that lead hand again, and now we're just going to add the right hand or the rear hand to the body. So if you're a southpaw, it'll be your left hand. So off we go. Yeah. All right, so for our third round, we're going to do that same thing again, but now we're going to bring up, we're going to have a left hook on the end. So 1-2 left hook or 1-2 right hook. That's it. All right, this time something similar. So we're going to go 1-2, but we're going to go rip to the body. So boys will show you 1-2. That's it. That's it, Kyle. That's it. And for our fifth and sixth rounds, we're just going to go freestyle. So kind of try and stay with what you've learnt for the first couple of rounds. So just nice and easy. Remember our head movement, body movement, and footwork. Try and keep your legs underneath you at all times. And see how the boys are bringing their hands back to their face. So that's good for defense and everything like that. Alright, so the next drill we're going to do a reaction drill. So this is going to work on our hand-eye coordination. So we've basically just got some numbers on the wall, just random numbers, 1 through to 15. You can do it by yourself, or if you've got someone there, they can yell the numbers out to you. So basically, if you're doing it by yourself, we can go, okay, this time I'm going to go up by 2s. So I'm going to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Or we can go up by, so just go 1, 2, 3, 4, and like that. If someone's yelling out to you, then you stand here like this. You can use whatever hand you want, and when they yell it out, do you want to yell out now? Yep.
8, 15, 7, 11, 12, 10, 14.
Yep. So that's how you do it. So you've just got to go as fast as you can to touch those right numbers. If you don't get the right number, that's okay. Just try and find it as quick as you can. Okay, so the next lot of exercises are just pretty much ton-ups. So they're basically working on our core and strength like that. So first off, we do sit-ups. See how Ethan's crossed his chest. Nice and slow, nice and controlled movements. Next one is tuck jump. So legs together, knees nice and high, just like Ethan. Beautiful, that's it. So next one are push-ups. Remember our form, nice and slow, nice and controlled, down and up. Beautiful. Try not to bend our back too much. Ethan's doing it perfectly. Okay, so we're going to go into hollow body rocks. So basically with this one, we're having, and we're just going to rock a little bit back and forth like that, making sure our stomach is always turned on. As soon as you feel like it's switching off at all, just stop. We don't want to hurt our backs, okay? So next one, we can do a crunches. So just like our sit-ups, but we're basically just working that top of our abdomen there. Nice and slow, nice and controlled. That's it. And then we're going to do V-sits. So same kind of position, legs up in the air. Yeah, that's it. If you can't do this one, what we can do, if Ethan leaves his legs all the way up, so have your legs all the way up, and we're just going to try and touch to the sky as much as we can. Yep, beautiful. Right, so the next one is a sit kick. So basically try and get in a push-up position at first, and then we're bringing our leg through to the other side, touch our bottom, and then the other side, touch our bottom. Beautiful, and just doing it like that. Nice and controlled, that's it. And from there we can go into leg raises. So on our bottom again, nice and controlled with our legs, up and down, that's it. Doesn't matter too much how high you go with this one, just as long as we're feeling it through our hip flexors. All right, so the next one is star jumps. So just our basic star jumps, arms all the way up. Perfect. And then our next one is going to be the burpee. So with this one, we don't have to do the push-up. So we're just going down and then up, like this. Beautiful. Just like that. Alright guys, thank you for joining me for the boxing workout. I hope you enjoy it, and just remember to have fun while you're doing it.